A sense of anticipation in Delhi's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in the minutes immediately ahead of the opening ceremony for the 19th Commonwealth Games. It's the biggest sporting event in the history of India. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh led the dignitaries to their VIP positions. Behind him, the Prince of Wales, representing Queen Elizabeth, the head of the Commonwealth, with his wife, the Duchess of Cornwall, with the President of India, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, amongst the last to take their seats. And the ceremony was to serve not only as a welcome to them, but also as an illustration of the host nation's history. Organisers are calling it the Great Indian Journey. Barry Davis, but first Pooja Yadav will be your guides throughout.
Welcome everyone to the opening ceremony of the 19th Commonwealth Games.
Huge Nagada drums from the northeast make the countdown. The show is on the road and in the air. And here are the bean players. They are snake charmers, but this time they have a rather different item to raise. Rather than the snake, the aerostat rises and it will slowly pull with it some excellent looking puppets. 26 Nagada drums.
In truly, Barry, the star attraction of the Commonwealth Games 2010, the aerostat that we can see slowly rising is the biggest helium balloon in the world. It's being used for the first time for an entertainment ceremony. It's quite a sight, very grand. Alongside, we can see the larger-than-life puppets, or Kathputlis as they are known, in the colourful soil of Rajasthan.